Welcome to more examples of items in the auction. Here, in this brown box, is a pair of olive oil dispensers. We have tons and tons of different stuff for your kitchen, your home, you name it, we got it. And we don't just have stuff for your kitchen. Right here is a tool. We have tons of different automotive tools. Anything and everything you could think of, we have it all. Tools, parts, you name it. Another great example of an item in the auction is this Keurig K-Cups. Like I said before, we have tons of stuff for your kitchen and home. Now, all these items and more are available at www.BidLlama.com. Have a great day.